everyone, my name is Alyssa Hill and I am second grade team lead at Wells Elementary, and I am here to show you a quick tutorial about how I use Google Classroom and face-to-face, and then also some tips that I learned last year that I can apply to this year to make life a little bit easier in these crazy times. So the first step you're going to want to do is get to your web desk. You can go to webdesk.pisd.edu. I like to use my personal computer, so mine might look a little bit different than your Chromebook. Then I'm going to go to Google Classroom on my web desk. You can also just go to classroom.google.com and then log in with Google, whatever works easier for you. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my classroom. I've already made mine. If you wanted to make one, you just go up to the plus sign and kind of go from there. So I'm going to go to Miss Hill, second grade. Here I am with my lovely cat. I have my comments turned off. That little gear in the top right corner can help you with that. And I just uploaded a banner that I made on Google Slides as a picture. So make it yours. That you can literally look on YouTube and find anything to help you with that. So the main thing I wanted to share today is how I organize my Google Classroom. So when I go to classwork, and my students know this, we have a lot of different things. So first, I go by week, and I started this with virtual, and then each emoji is a different week. So some of my kids that have a tough time reading, since I teach second grade, look for the emoji. Or if I want them to refer back to an assignment that's missing or something, I'll say it's in the snowflake emoji. Because we do kind of a mixture of paper and virtual assessments and things like that. So then each day I post the assignments. So I put on here their stations that are projected on my screen so that they can see them. And that way I can hyperlink stuff and it matches exactly, and then they can log in. I put quizzes on links on here for the day. Oftentimes if we're doing enrichment or we're doing something like a newsletter for our campus, I'll put it in for that day. That way they have everything easily accessible to them. So I don't even have to worry about going on GoGuardian and opening things up, which is another great way to do it, but it's already set in stone for me. Some other things that I've done is I add we do Savas with Words Their Way, so they kind of have how to get there, and some different assignments that they've done. Like I said, the emojis go with each week, so there's different emoji for every week. I put our math tools on there, so any virtual manipulatives that my kids like to use, they can go on there and use it at their convenience for any item that we're working on, the same as having one available that's a hard copy. And then class information, this is another one. So my students were using Class Dojo the second semester, so they can get here to log in. Virtual Makerspace, I've got my Tiger Store, Flipgrid, Epic, and Seesaw. So anything they need to get to that they could go through probably the web desk to get to, it's just easily in one place so that if they're at home and their web desk isn't working or whatever the case may be, they can grab it from here. I will say this has saved me a ton of time. It's kind of similar to like a Symbaloo. The kids really know how to work it. And my favorite part about this, and I haven't gotten to use it just enough yet, but we started to, is our missing work. And so each student has a missing work assignment. And I can share this. Just shoot me an email at alyssa.hill@pisd.edu. And the kids go through and I type in everything they're missing if they need to work on Dreambox. And so I don't have to tell them what they're missing. It's already there. And this makes a copy for each kid. So it's really great because they can just look and check the emoji and see what week they're missing. So that's been another great tool as well. I hope this helps, and happy learning.